This isn't going to be the best demo, but I wanted to play some Game Boy games on my big screen, particularly my Mister, and but I didn't want to use kind of the joypad that I had. I wanted to use my Game Boy. So I started off by looking at this hat by Stack Smashing as a way of doing it, but I felt like the kind of prerequisites are fairly high, particularly as there's quite a few components on the back here. I mean, quite a few. There's eight, um, and actually I've got it working. So I've got this demo cart that I use for refurbishments, and I'm just kind of rolling over the D-pad and testing the buttons here, and they work. So I'm pressing start, start and AB and down, and all the buttons can do all of them. Yeah, I can do. There you go. So it works pretty well. And what's going on here is a link port is going into an Arduino Pro Micro, so one of those little clones. And I've just got an old link port from a refurb that I did, which that's going straight into. And the clock signal from the Game Boy is being inverted, so it looks like SPI, and then that's translated to a Game Boy and Gamepad API, and it works a treat. Does get a little bit confused sometimes. When I kind of like reset the Game Boy, the clock signal gets a bit confused, but at the moment it's working perfectly. And if I open something like DuckTales, let's have a look at that. So DuckTales, I mean obviously this is just the screen, but I can play on my big screen using the form factor that I am familiar with. So these are my thumbs doing the work. Oh, I should have got the treasure. Oh, yes. I mean, I can't get much further than this, but still. Yeah, it works pretty well. I mean, I guess you can't see what's going on, but you can see my thumbs. There you go. So, neat. And my Game Boy remains a Game Boy. So yeah, that's that.